Earth, our motherland, once sheltered us in her cool shades, but now it feels like a furnace. The snowy peaks of Himalayas are turning into rivers of tears. Trees, our protectors, are being uprooted by relentless development. Forests are turning desolate. Are we that selfish, being the reason for our motherland's demise? Welcome to Lake City Live. I am Harshita Giri, and today we delve into the critical issues of climate change and global warming. These terms are often used interchangeably, but they refer to distinct phenomena. Now let us understand the difference. Global warming describes the increase in Earth's average surface temperature due to the rising levels of greenhouse gases. In contrast, climate change encompasses global warming but also includes border changes such as shift in weather patterns, ocean currents, and precipitation levels. One of the critical impacts of climate change is aquatic deoxygenation. Warmer water holds less oxygen, affecting marine life. Recent studies have shown significant drops in oxygen levels in the Pacific and Atlantic Oceans, posing severe threats to the fisheries and biodiversity. Last summer, record-breaking heat waves hit Asia, Europe, and North America, with Delhi reaching a scorching 52.3 degrees Celsius, the highest temperature ever recorded in India. Meanwhile, South Africa faced severe droughts, putting Cape Town on the brink of day zero, where the city almost ran out of water. While some places are drying out, others are drowning. Brazil has faced devastating floods, especially in the Amazon, displacing thousands and damaging homes. In India, heavy monsoon rains triggered deadly landslides in Kerala, killing 150 people. Meanwhile, Canada is battling one of its worst wildfire seasons ever, with over 4.5 million acres burned, highlighting the global spread of extreme weather events. How El Nino and La Nina are twisting India's climate, from scorching heat waves to unpredictable monsoons. Let us discover how these climate phenomena are shaping our weather patterns in a decade of record-breaking temperatures. Climate change, along with El Nino and La Nina, is making India's weather increasingly unpredictable. El Nino brings warmth and dryness, while La Nina causes cooler and wetter conditions. This year's shift has disrupted the monsoon, affecting agriculture and water supplies. NASA reports the last decade as the warmest on record, with 2023 being exceptionally hot. The Indian Meteorological Department links these extreme events to global climate crisis. Addressing climate change needs a collective action. Renewable energy adoption, reforestation efforts like the Bond Challenge, policies such as India's Surya Uday Yojana and plastic bans are key. Small changes like reducing waste also makes a big difference because every effort counts. Witnessing these events, we know that climate crisis is here. And the biggest question is, will we be the generation that let our planet fall apart or the one who fought to save it? The choice is clear and it is yours to make. Be a mere spectator or the change. For more such interesting videos, keep watching Lake City Live.